Everybody, welcome to Ardor single box break of Upper Deck the Cup number 90. The last team that ended was the Edmonton Oilers on October 26th at 8:17 Eastern Time. So we are currently live on Breakers right now. And let's go to eBay's current date and time. It's currently, let me refresh, Sunday, October 26th at 11:48 Eastern Time. Refresh once more. Sunday, October 26th, 11:48. So the serial number that we are doing is box 5 of box 6. NE 221331243. So box 6 of 6 has been listed under number 91. And tomorrow I will be listing a fresh case. Tonight, KSET has his first box of a fresh case tonight as well. So be sure to check that out. And let's go over the shrink wrap, and then I'll show you guys the serial numbers. Patrick or Sylvan, are you guys in Kenny's KSET's break today? I think his is the first one up, fresh case as well. So this is box 5 of 6, serial number 221122133123. Let me check if that's right. Yep. Oh man, I have my blade with me. Okay, good luck everyone. Alright, good luck everyone. Gold. Brilliance. So we start off with a base for the Chicago Blackhawks of Corey Crawford. Card number looks like 186 of 249. Next card. Oh, it's a one color. Alexander Barkov for the Florida Panthers. ARP. Card number 117 of 249. Oh wow, we have a pretty big hit coming up. For the Dallas Stars. Oh, that's pretty nice. Valeri Nichushkin. Dallas Stars, 15 of 50. The limited logos. Ah, nice hit. And our brilliance belongs to the Philadelphia Flyers of Bill Barber. Bill Barber. I don't believe this one is numbered. Nope. We have a gold base of Chris Letang out of 75. It's a weird spot. The ARP. And we have an ARP for the Phoenix Coyotes, Chris Brown. Well, that concludes our break. So, very nice hit for Valeri Nichushkin, limited logos. If you would like tracking on that, do let me know. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my last 10 of the box 6 of 6 tomorrow, and KSET's box number 2, that will be for tomorrow as well. Anyways, have a good